Friends, now we will do question number 6 from exercise 3.3. Question number 6 is write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 11. Friends, here we have to apply the divisibility rule of 11. So let's start. Sum of digit at odd places. So odd places are 9, 3 and 2. So we can write 2 plus 3 plus 9. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 5 plus 9 14. Again we have to do sum of digit at even places. Sum of digit at even places. Friends, even place, this one and this one. So we can write 9 plus, we don't know the number which we have to put here, so we can write a plus 8. So it's become a 9 plus 8, 17 plus a. Now friends, we know we have to find out the difference between sum of digit at odd places and sum of digit at even places. If it is 0 or divisible by 11, so that we can say the number is divisible by 11. So we have to find out difference. (17 plus a minus 14). So we can write so once we have to put a 0 in front of 3 plus a, and one we have to put 11 equal to 3 plus a. So let's do a plus 3 equal to 0. So a equal to minus 3. So we cannot put a negative number here, so this is not possible. Now we have to put a plus 3 equal to 11. So a equal to 11 minus 3. So a equal to 8, which is positive number. Now we have to put this number here. So difference is (17 plus 8 minus 14). So we can say 17 plus 8 25 minus 14. So it is 11, which is divisible by 11. So the right number is 8. So this is the number 92838, which is divisible by 11. Now we have to go at B part. Again we don't know the number, so again we have to do sum of digit at odd places. So odd place, so we can write a plus 4 plus 4 equal to a plus 8. Again sum of digit at even places, this one and this one. So we can say 8 plus 9 plus 8. So 8 to 16, 17 and 8, 25. So again we have to find out the difference. (25) a plus 8. So we can write 25 minus a minus 8. So 25 minus 8 means 17 minus a. Now friends, once we have to place 0 and once we have to place 11, then find out the number which one is correct for this space. So 17 minus a equal to 0. So a equal to 17, which is not possible. Now we have to put 17 minus a equal to 11. Now 17 minus a will go this side, so it become a plus a, and 11 go to the left side, then it's become a minus 11. So 17 minus 11 equal to a. So 17 minus 11 means 6 equal to a. So if I put a equal to 6 here, if it is divisible by 11, so we can say yes, this number is correct. So we have to put here 17 minus 6 equal to 11. So we can say 11 is divisible by 11. So this is the right number which we can place here. Thank you.